Today I'm showing you how to download and install apps from the Google Play Store on your Android device. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Play Store. Locate and tap the Google Play Store app on your Android phone. It's the colorful triangle icon usually on your home screen or app drawer. Step 2. Search for app. At the top of the Play Store, tap the search bar. Type the name of the app or game you want to download. Step 3. Select app. From the search results, tap on the app you want to install. Make sure it's the official app by checking the developer name and reviews. Step 4. Review app details. On the app page, you can view screenshots and videos, app description, user reviews and ratings, size and compatibility information, required permissions. Step 5. Tap Install. Free apps show install, while paid apps show the price. Step 6. Accept permissions. The app may request permissions like storage, camera, or location access. Review these and tap Accept or Install to continue. Step 7. Wait for download. The app begins downloading. Download time depends on the app size and your internet speed. A progress bar shows the download status. Step 8. Automatic installation. Once downloaded, the app installs automatically. Installation typically takes a few seconds to a minute. Step 9. Open app. When installation completes, tap Open to launch the app immediately or find the app icon on your home screen or app drawer. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed an app from the Google Play Store on your Android device.